Are you missing out on the biggest altcoin gains this week? Let's dive into the top 3 altcoins lighting up the charts right now. First up, we got Solana, ticker SOL. It's sitting at $142.86 right now, up a solid 16.52% over the past 7 days. Solana's making waves because it's fast, cheap, and built for the next wave of DeFi and NFTs. The real magic, it's handling massive traffic without crashing, and that's making developers flock to build on it. If Ethereum is the Brooklyn of crypto, Solana's the Manhattan, always lit, always on. Second on the list, Pepe, symbol PEPE. This meme coin is at 0.000014, skyrocketing 25.68% this week. Yeah, you heard that right. Pepe ain't just another meme, it's a movement. The community is everything here, pumping out creative NFTs, memes, and utility like there's no tomorrow. Pepe's proving that community hype can turn the smallest frog into a heavyweight contender. Rounding it out, we got Injective, ticker INJ, trading at $26.61 with a 7-day jump of 10.53%. Injective is all about decentralized finance, but on steroids. We're talking lightning fast, zero gas fee trading across multiple blockchains. These guys are bringing Wall Street level trading right onto the blockchain, giving power back to everyday users like you and me. All right, fam, those are your altcoins of the week. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. This is not financial advice.